So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now bring the arms up. Inhale, lengthen up with the left. Exhale with the right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And take hold of the left wrist with the right hand and then gently lean to the right. Come back center, swap the hands over. So again, lengthen up and over to the left. Come back to the middle, swap the hands. Inhale, exhale, over. Come back center, swap the hands. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. So one more each side. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, over. Come back and we'll swap. Inhale and exhale. Come back center, bring the arms down, and roll the shoulders back. And roll the shoulders forwards. And place the hands on the shoulders, circle the elbows. And the other way. And full arm circle. So inhale as you bring the arms up. Exhale as they come down. So inhaling up, exhaling down. Maybe the other way. So inhale. Exhale down. And go left forward, right back. Come to the top, right forward, left back. Back to the top, bend that left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. And lean forward, swing the arms. Coming back out. So bend the right elbow, take the left hand to the elbow. So lean forward and swing in the arms. And take the left one up, right one behind. Try and bring the hands together if you can. And leaning forwards. And right arm up, left one behind. Again, wherever you get to. And bring the arms out in front, make a big circle, drop the head down. Arms behind, interlace the fingers, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And bring the left arm in front of the body, squeeze it in. And then the right arm. And bring the arms down. So working on the lower limbs, we're starting with that left hip. Find a comfortable range where it doesn't feel too awkward. You can always have the arms out shoulder level to help with the balance. And then we'll rotate the other way. And we'll do the right hip. And the other way. We're coming on to the knee joint. So just fingertips to the kneecap. Circle that lower leg. And the other way. On to the other side. The other way. And finally the ankle, so holding on to that left knee, rotate into the ankle. And the other way. And we're doing the right ankle. So rotate one way. And then the other. Alright, so we'll do a little quad stretch. So take hold of the left foot with the left hand. Actually, the right, but it doesn't matter, either side. And if you can, we'll take the other hand to the foot. Feel that stretch down the front of the thigh. If you want a deeper stretch, squeeze the shoulder blades together, straighten the arms, and try and lift the leg, but keep the body upright. Remember, nothing should hurt. Now come down, we'll do the other side. So take hold of the foot, just with one hand to start with on the same side. And if that feels okay, take the other hand as well to the foot. Depending on how tight the quads are, if you want to take it further, lift the leg, keep the crown up towards the sky, and then we'll come down. The standing pose, we'll do a high lunge with that right leg forward, left leg back. So bend the right knee, left heel is up. Trying to keep the shoulders above the hips. So you can stay here if you want to, or we're going to add a twist. And bring the left arm up. Take the right one behind. So have the right arm either just round the back, or if you can, aim for the opposite thigh. Keep reaching up with that left arm. And then we'll swap to the other side. So have the left foot forward, right foot back. Make sure that knee's tracking in the same direction as the toes. Hands to the chest. So just hold here for a few breaths and see if you can feel the heartbeat. And then we'll bring the right arm up, left hand behind. There's a little bit of a twist, so make sure the back feels okay. And breathe. And then we'll come back and we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just notice how the body feels. Notice if there's any tightness anywhere. If there is, just concentrate on that area. Try and relax the body. Then we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.